Here are 7 top lessons from a Navy SEAL, and I'm going to explain each and every one of them to you so that you can understand them and then go ahead and implement them into your own life. These top 10 life lessons were taken from US Navy Admiral William H. McRaven and his speech about the top 10 lessons to change the world. Number 1 is to make your bed. This is going to help you build momentum and help you get that ball rolling so that you can complete the rest of your tasks for that day. You start off small, and with making your bed, it's a pretty easy task. So you're getting an easy hit of dopamine for an easy task in return. And that is going to help you get that ball rolling and build that momentum. It's going to give you a sense of pride and achievement because you've completed and ticked off the first task of the day. It also reminds us that the small things in life do matter. And if you can't do the small things right in life, then you won't be able to do the big things right. So you need to start small and then build your way up. And then even if you have a bad day for whatever reason, you still have a nice cozy bed that is made by you to come home to and sleep in that night. Number 2 is to find people who are going to help you on your journey. Find a community of like-minded people that are willing to go out of their way to see you succeed. By joining a group or a community, you're going to be able to do things together, share your successes, and share tips on how to progress faster. It's a lot more productive and proficient than doing it just by yourself. It's also going to allow you to guide one another and help you keep each other accountable. If one loses motivation, the other can bring them up and help them stay consistent and on track to progress. You need to find those people who are going to help you and encourage you on your journey, and then eliminate those who are going to bring you down and discourage you. Those people that want you to fail, usually their hate comes from a place of insecurity, so you need to just block them out of your mind and continue doing what you're doing. And in the end, if you join a community or a group, or even just do it with a friend, the amount of brain power built up is a lot better than just one and doing it by yourself. Number 3, don't judge people by how they look, but by how they act. It doesn't matter how someone looks. They might be tall, they might be short, beautiful, ugly. It doesn't really matter how they look. It depends on what they do with their actions. The only thing that matters in life, in who you are as a person, is if you are willing to push past your pain barrier and go further than you're expected to go and try to succeed and come out the other side a better person. On the other hand, if someone says they're going to do something, it's not the same as actually doing it. If you're going to talk the talk, you have to walk the walk. So don't judge someone by how they look or what they say, but judge them by what their actions portray and what their personality is. Number 4 is to get over perfection and failure and push forward. No matter how hard you train or how hard you prepare for something, you can't always do it all. It doesn't always pay off. No matter how hard you train, how hard you try and prepare yourself for something, you have to learn that it's not always going to pay off, and that there is always going to be someone better than you, someone stronger than you, someone more intelligent than you. You need to get over that and keep working on becoming better than who you were yesterday and keep moving forward. Number 5, don't be afraid of failure. Even though in the moment it won't feel like it, the more losses you have, the more failures you have, the better you're going to be in the long run. This is because you're going to build discipline. You're going to learn how to pick yourself back up when you fail if you keep losing. Whereas if you just keep winning and everything is just coming easy to you, you're not going to learn how to deal with those hard things that life throws at you. And therefore, when something hard does come your way, you won't know how to deal with it properly. It comes down to your mindset and how you adapt to each situation. If you look at a fail as a fail, you will continue to fail and most likely give up on your goals in a short period of time. But if you take each failure as a learning opportunity and something to further develop your skills with, you will become better and better at it each and every time. So in the end, you will have made so much progress and you'll be much further ahead than when you started. So don't take each failure as a failure, but look at it as an opportunity to learn and grow, and then develop your skills around it so that you can continue to use that information you learn from those failures and input it into your success. Number 6 is sometimes you have to take risks in order to receive rewards. Sometimes you have to be brave and take a leap of faith. You will probably be judged by others and looked at like you're a fool. But the bigger the risk you take, the more reward you will get when it's over. So in life, you have to learn to take risks even when you don't feel like it. Taking risks is how you achieve new goals and learn new things. In order to get anywhere in life, you have to learn to take a few risks. Number 7, don't back down from people trying to tear you down. Throughout your journey, you're going to encounter multiple different people saying,
"You can't do that. You can't do this because it's too hard. It's impossible."
But in reality, if you don't give them the satisfaction of you giving up, you will succeed. You need to punch fear in the face and just start your journey. Even if you're afraid of failure, don't be, because if you fail, all you have to do is get back up and keep going. It's not considered a failure, but a learning opportunity. And don't worry about being judged by others, because life is too short for that. So even if people make fun of you, just keep going, because you're going to thank yourself one day when you're in that position you want to be in. If you enjoyed this video, go down, smash that subscribe button, because I'm helping you become a better person in 2023 completely for free. So it's a win-win, and you're helping me grow my channel. So go down, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.